In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page in Base44. Whether you're creating a simple page to capture leads, promote a product, or test a new idea, this walkthrough will guide you through the first and most important step, clearly describing what you want your landing page to be, directly inside Base44. When you first open your Base44 project and head into the editor or dashboard view, you'll usually see a space where the app asks you what kind of page you want to create. Think of this as your creative brief to the tool. Before you start typing, take a moment to think about the goal of your landing page. Are you trying to get email signups, encourage people to book a demo, sell a single product, or direct visitors to download something? Having that main objective in mind will make everything else easier. In the description field, start by writing one or two clear sentences about the purpose of your page. For example, you might say that you want a clean, modern landing page to promote a new software tool and collect email addresses from interested users. Keep your language clear and specific, because Base44 will use this information to guide the layout, structure, and content suggestions. Next, describe your target audience. Mention who the page is for and what they care about. This might include their role, their industry, or the problem they're trying to solve. By adding this context, you're helping the system generate a page that feels relevant and tailored rather than generic. After that, outline the key sections you want on your landing page. You might include a hero section with a headline and call to action, a brief features or benefits area, some social proof like testimonials or logos, and a simple final call to action near the bottom. You don't need to write full copy yet. Just list or describe the sections in natural language so Base44 understands the structure you're aiming for. You can also mention any style preferences like a minimal design, bold colors, or a more professional and corporate look. If you already have a brand tone, such as playful, friendly, or formal, include that in your description as well. Once you've written a clear, detailed description of what you want, review it briefly to remove anything sensitive and make sure it matches your goal. When you're happy with it, confirm or continue in the Base44 editor so the tool can start generating and shaping your landing page around your description.